All right, so we all have seen these cables ripping off, lightning cable, Apple iPhone charging cables. You can fix them. You need some blue tack. You can buy them from Officeworks. I'm in Australia, so we have Officeworks. In US and Canada, you probably would have Office Depot. You can get it from them. It's also available at Target as well, so it's not a big deal. You need some heat shrink as well. I ordered some heat shrink from AliExpress, but if you are in Australia, you can buy some from JCar as well, and it's not a big deal. It's very cheap, but you need to get 12 heat shrink, and you put that into the cable first before you put some blue tag on the ripped area of the cable. So the whole idea is you need to put in a little bit of a blue tag in that area where you have a bit of a ripped thing on the cable, and once that bit is covered, then you're gonna sleeve up that heat shrink on top of it, and then you need to heat it so it shrinks and grabs that area pretty well. That's the whole idea. You get blue tack from Target, Office Work, Office Depot, anywhere, even Kmart as well. So when you uh, roll up, you need to sleeve up this heat shrink thing on top of it properly, and then you need to heat it up. If you have not liked or subscribed my channel or TikTok, please do that. Now you need to, well, I got this torch as well from a Chinese store, or maybe a reject shop. I don't exactly remember. It comes in handy, not even $3. It's very cheap and works all the time. Yeah, you can get these heat shrinks in white, red, gray, green, all sorts of colors. I had some black ones with me, so, and it does the job. I'm not too fussy about the color. All right, please like, comment, share, and let us know what you think. And there you can see, phone started charging. There you go. Thank you.